Today, we're doing the final steps in our 12-year project, LOL. What are we doing, Mike?
We're hanging a light fixture, Avery. One that has 10,000 parts.
How many parts? 10,000 parts. It don't look like much when it's on the ceiling, but when you got the crate, there's probably, I would say legitimately, what, 400 parts?
About that.
At least 400 parts. We're setting her down here. We're getting a plan to put it together. Getting it on this here chunk of lath here and put them to the ceiling. I'm sure that somebody out there in YouTube land's gonna have 48 different ways to do it. And my problem with that is, where the f are you when we need you? We're down to our final steps before we get this bitch almost done. Got some yard art starting up here. We got our heater hung. We got my fake gun up there. You like my fake gun? It looks good, don't it? Bottle of Patron that I think my kid drank that last night. Mister, I'm not drinking anymore.
Or any less.
Or any less, yeah. These lights are supposed to be, I don't know, fairly luminous, I guess.
We'll see.
I love it. We come to the conclusion after great, whatever word I'm looking for, talking about that we were going to screw them to these laths. Either that, I guess a guy could build it on the floor and hoist it all up there. Hoist it all up with one piece. But they're strong, but they're not strong. And just putting this lath on here, it seems to make it about 100 times easier. We built a frame to put these on up here. There's a frame that went right across here, and here. Okay. We use this here for a line-up section so we get it square to the roof and put it up one section. And then we put up this other section over here up and just tied it back into here and here that was sticking out. We thought it was gonna be harder than what it was. It went together real easy. But I tell you what, guys, if you're putting this stuff up, it is, there's a little bit of movement in it. But once you get it up there, leave it alone.
You and I have a difference of opinion on alignments.
Again, I think it's going to be excellent. And we're just here putting the perimeter up. The perimeter goes along here on them, along here, on the outside. Where's my finger at? And right across here and around. So that's just what we're trying to figure out now. Put it on this lath and screwing it down. We're not screwing it too tight to the bottom, leaving a little bit of play because this here plastic, it needs to have a little bit of wiggle room, eh?
It's fairly delicate.
Yeah. The parts for this kit seem to be all right. I did get it on sale, of course, and we found out, I think, why it was on sale. Can you tell them what kind of power this runs off, Mike?
It's a 220-volt fixture, which is not very common.
I don't know. Do you think that it could run on 110?
No.
The capacitors in the inside, there's a bunch of inside. Have you looked at them?
No. It's all within the fixture, so there's no controller or anything like that. So
it is what it is, eh?
it is what it is.
And you are an electrician, right?
No.
Okay, guys, stay tuned. We're gonna get her hung up there, and a little bit later, we might even get some power turned to the old girl. Getting her all wired up there, Mike, or what?
Yes, help me my pouch.
Oh.
Just want to try a little something here.
What are you doing to that girl?
Just getting a little more life on it.
Them wires, it sure doesn't draw very much power, it looks like, this stuff, eh?
No, very little. Very little. Let's do it different.
Good luck.
Oh, big deal.
Exactly.
And we'll come back and put them up.
Anyways, guys, you getting the room rented together there? Making one happy family, just putting that together just for safety.
It's not very good wire, just to see, and then we'll get some more and we'll give it a test.
There you go. Put a box up there and be happy.
Try it. Yep.
40 years of an electrician only, hey?
That's it.
That's it. I tell you what. And here, guys, here's the instructions for this here light system. Like, that is the total instructions. That's all that is there. There's nothing on the back side. There's nothing special on there. That is it. How many pieces? I don't think it tells you. It's, maybe it does. 57, 12. Maybe that's it.
No, there's a lot more than that.
1 strip, 3 strip, B, 8 up, 1 down, joints, 1 butt joint, 17, 27. I don't know. There's got to be 400 pieces to this son of a. There you go. You can count them if you want. You just buy them and just put them together. And the good thing about this, the kind of interesting thing is we only put it together once. And we only were missing 1 small piece, eh? There was missing 1 little spacer in all them pieces.
Yeah.
That 1 spacer, and we just kind of spread it apart for the pins and put it together, and it worked good, eh?
I'm not sure if it come with the original package.
Who knows?
There are a lot of little parts within the little parts.
Call you reusing some parts, are you?
Yeah.
What did you get off there?
Just a grommet.
It's a good thing we saved that wire.
Yes. Off the old fixture.
Cool. Hey boys, we're gonna have some light or some fire, one of the two. Hopefully it's light.
Hopefully it's light.
Yeah, I think we put the light switch right in that corner. Right where that's, hey?
Yeah, it's a good spot for it.
Right there, we're gonna put the light switch right there. Right there in the wall. Then we'll move these other lights up here. We'll move them into a more kind of a scenic place, I guess, for lack of words. If you want to know how to take Lumex apart, or BX I should say. Is that Lumex? That's Lumex or BX?
This is BX.
What's the Lumex?
Lumex has just got the rubber plastic insulation on the outside, and the BX has the armor kit.
Okay,
Which is
just that right there, right?
And the proper way isn't to cut this with side cutters either. It's a hacksaw.
Well, that there's small enough. I end up cutting the wire in half all the time, and then have to go redo it again.
Okay.
We're gonna let there be light, and there was light.
We'll test that in a couple minutes. We'll get back.
Right after these messages.
After.
Today, if you've drunk too many wobbly pops and you can't make it home in your car, you can always hitchhike. Get a thumb protector so if it rains, your nail don't get wet. It's amazing how well it went up there. It just doesn't want to move.
No. There we go. All right.
Okay.
Let's just give it a little smoke test. No, don't do this at home.
Did you see the spark coming out of there?
You're not supposed to.
Holy shit. I tell you what, the cell phone doesn't do it justice. It is about 3 times brighter than that cell phone shows. I tell you what, I don't think a guy could have asked for any better lighting. Like, it is lit, eh?
That is incredible.
It really is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like, I can't believe how good a lighting is in here. Again, this cell phone does not pick it up.
This is pretty incredible to light up a room. There's not many shadow spots in here.
Like none, eh?
No.
I guess that's where it is, because they use these lights in a detailing shop, eh?
I'm really impressed. You just don't have the shadow. That's good. That's really good.
Like there's none, eh? A little bit behind you, maybe. That's it. There's barely.
A little bit when you get off to the sides, but I don't even know the cabinets really here.
You know what? It lights these cabinets up like good. Like the lights are on underneath here, right there, and you can't even, like you say, you bend over here, like it's.
Yeah. A little tidy up, clean up, switches, and feel like we knew what we were doing.
I'm actually very happy about this. I got these lights on sale. Like, Mike.
Yeah, that looks good. I'm happy with it.
I tell you what,